3 reasons why not to pursue dentistry. Now this video is not to discourage you guys who are pursuing dentistry. This is just to give you a brief idea of what dentistry is like. The number one reason: dentistry involves a lot of hard work. It is an amalgamation of science, engineering, and art. You have to study a lot. You have to be a medical doctor when listening to the patient and diagnosing the case. You have to be a surgeon when doing surgeries and fixing teeth and taking out cysts from the mouth. And you have to do it for long hours. You have to do treatment plannings where you have to look at the architectural aspect of the teeth. So it involves a lot of fields and it involves a lot of mental and physical coordination. It is mentally and physically exhausting, and you have to work for really long hours, which may not be what you think it is, and you may not be what you signed up for. If you're up for this hard work, and if you're up for studying this much and then physically working this much, then this dentistry is for you. But if you do not like working this hard and you like a basic office job, then dentistry might not be for you. Second reason is dental education is extremely expensive. I believe it is the most expensive form of education in the world, whether it's graduate education or postgraduate education. In fact, some diplomas and certification courses are more expensive than various graduate degrees. So this is something that you have to keep in mind, that student loans and the education expenses are really high. So when you're coming into dentistry, you might have to pay off loans for a longer period of time compared to other students who pursue other careers. Number 3, it involves a lot of public dealing. Not everyone wants to meet a lot of people, talk to a lot of people, and you have to show a lot of empathy and patience, because there are various kinds of people in the world, and maybe you do not want to talk to a specific group of people. As doctors, we do not get the privilege to treat anyone with our own mindset or our own will. We are supposed to be empathetic towards all the patient, regardless of any caste, color, religion, or mental or physical or any behavior. So if public dealing is not your thing, or if you are an introvert and you do not want a profession where there's a lot of public dealing involved, dentistry might not be for you. Yes, there are other fields like public health that stems from dentistry, or marketing, or getting into dental research, which does not involve a lot of public dealing. But this video is for people who are looking to do private practice, or who are looking to practice dentistry in general. Some bonus reasons not to pursue dentistry. I wouldn't call it bonus reasons, but some extra reasons. So dentistry involves going into people's mouths, which aren't always very clean, and sometimes you might see disgusting blood and pus and disfigured fractures and all these kind of things, which might be not appealing or suitable for a lot of you. And this is something that you only know when you are exposed to this. But if you are not of strong heart and you do not feel comfortable dealing with such things, then dentistry might not be for you. Second bonus, or should I say extra tip, is dentistry doesn't always give you a lot of money. Dentist or dentistry is the single most highest paid job in the US. It is, but it is not always the case. Getting the highest paid job requires a certain level of commitment, dedication, and hard work, without which the dental education, which is very expensive, and the work, which is very tiring, a person might get tired of this field and might not be able to work so hard or invest so much money, and might not end up earning that much amount of money which is required of dentistry, which is expected of dentistry. So these are the 5 reasons why you should not do dentistry. I love dentistry, and I think dentistry is an excellent and a rewarding field. If you want to know reasons why you should do dentistry, please watch my other video. So if you are confused about your career decision about whether to choose dentistry or not, reach out to me on Instagram and I would be happy to help you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.